Hello all, my name's John and I'm with the Digital Transformation Agency's Emerging Talent team, called the DTA. And we run the graduate digital stream. So a bit about us. Our programs address digital skill shortages that exist across all of government. And we do this by helping to attract, recruit and develop talent such as just yourselves. And so far, we have put over 1,500 Australians through our programs. A bit about these programs. We have, and are not limited to, the digital graduateship, which we're here to talk to you about today, the digital cadetship, and the digital apprenticeship programs. If you want to learn more about these other programs, please come talk to us or visit our website. So the DTA manages these programs on behalf of other agencies, and they help provide pathways to get into government in a digital area, and thus improving the digital capabilities of the APS. Now, if you want to learn more about our program and the other graduate streams in general, please go to the APS Jobs Graduate Portal. There you'll find a list of all the streams, where the digital one, not to be confused with the data one, it happens all the time. I've done it. There you'll find a link to participating agencies, and you'll get given a list of a lot of the current agencies that we're working with this year. Make sure to come back and check in on that one. It's been updated all the time still. So why should you apply for the digital stream? So you'll be able to hit multiple agencies with just one application. Gone are the days where you have to fill in one application for each agency. And so we have a huge variety of roles that need filling. So don't be afraid, your skills are in great demand. So if you want to learn how the skills you have been spent the last few years developing will actually be useful in applying to a job in the government, we have a new tool for that with the DTA. It's in Alpha. It's called the Australian Public Service Career Pathfinder tool. You can find it with Google. And this will allow you to put in what skills you have and what job opportunities there are with those skills, or you can click the job opportunities you want and it will tell you what skills you need for those positions. So who are we after today? Well, as I said before, we're here for the digital graduate program today. So we're after university graduates. So this is anyone with a bachelor degree upwards. So grad cert, grad diploma, masters onwards. You must have a degree in a digital or technological field. Now, if you visit our website, there's a list of eligible degrees. If yours isn't on there, but you feel it should be because it's a niche one, there's constantly being new degrees created all the time, send us an email to emergingtalent@dta.gov.au. We'll look into it and see if it's actually eligible. You do have to be an Australian citizen to apply for this program. And if your ceremony is coming up, that might be okay. As long as it's before the end of the financial year, that's 30th of June, you can still apply. If it's after the 30th of June, there isn't anything we can do. However, we would love to have you apply for next year's program. The degree has to be completed within the last 5 years or at the end of this year. Now, as far as people go, we want enthusiastic, hard workers who want to work as part of a multidisciplinary team and use their skills to make a better Australia. We don't have any other hurdles, so don't worry about grades or any additional extracurriculars. So why should you apply for this program? So it is a year-long program of full-time work that will help you develop skills to progress your career in the APS and the resources to do so. Upon completion, you'll be given a permanent position in government and all the benefits that come with that. Your study's not over with the graduate program, digital stream. You will continue to study and you will, at the end of which you'll receive either a grad certificate in government informatics from the University of Canberra or a graduate certificate in cybersecurity and networking from CIT, Canberra Institute of Technology. Now, if you already have one of these degrees, we'll probably get you to do the other one. As I said before, you have a ton of resources offered to you, not only from your department, but from us as well. We have people called career liaison officers, that their job is to make sure you're right and provide any assistance they can. You'll also be given career coaching and mentorship. Very much not to underappreciate how important those mentors are. So yeah, that's it from us. We have a booth, we have websites, we have phone numbers, we have email address. Please look us up, come talk to us, send us emails, give us a call. Always happy to help. It's why we're here. We want to talk to you. We want to recruit you. So yeah, that's it from me. Hope you have a good day. Take care.